Good morning, guys. I think I haven't put on the camera for a while and I'm still amazed by how this lens looks like, but I'm sorry if I'm still in the transition period of like looking over a bit of like on the side. It's because like this new camera has this back screen that I can see myself, and it's not like my old camera is like flip up, it's like flip aside. So I was like quite used to do that, to making sure like I'm in the shot. But now with wider lens, of course I'm in the shot. I just need to like get used to really get down to look at this lens and like feel like I've been like talking directly to you. I am having my matcha of the day and probably will have my second one soon, because today we're going to a corgi cafe in Barcelona and I can't wait, because I don't know if I like filmed last time. I don't think I did, but I went last time and the corgi's not there. And I was like, how could it be? And then I asked like the staff and they told me like, oh, I just DM'd them making sure like corgi's there, and they're like absolutely fine with this. I was like, okay, I will DM today, and they're both in. There are 2 corgis. But now, right now, the time is, okay, 20 to 1. So actually it's like afternoon-ish brunch time, but that's what I love about Barcelona, is like brunch all day. We are going to corgi cafe, and honestly their sandwich there, phenomenal, like epic. I really like it. So yeah, gonna try to vlog the day and let's go. We just finished the corgi. They're super peaceful. And now the food is here though. Sandwich they have here. It's really good.
I think it's even better.
Is it? It's so good.
Like, they changed it up because before it was 2 layers, right?
Yeah. No, there is peas.
Oh yes, you're right.
And I love this peas. Matcha. We have some treats here. And are we ready for juice?
You are.
Well done.
Sit. 4.
Yes.
Sit. 4. Oh.
Sit. Off.
Good. Am I saying bar? Speak or something?
Speak. Sit. Off.
You're so proud. Sit. No, I didn't.
No.
Sit. 4. Good job.
Good job.
4. Good. Oh.
Good job. Good job.
You aren't there. It's
You are spicy. Yeah. Sit. Off. There you go. So cute. Oh my God. There you go.
Sit. Sit. Oh, yeah.
Good girl. Good girl. Okay.
Sit.
Oh my god, that is so cute. Oh, that's the puppy. Matcha, matcha, matcha. Beach day. Wait, look. I got one.
So, this is chacayoyos. I don't even know how to
Chacayoyo?
explain these, but they're really good. And these are empanadas, just mini empanadas.
Empanadas.
Yeah. When you said we are with them with chicken, right?
Ah, okay, this one. It's
Yeah.
like little dumpling pancake.
Cheers. Really good.
Yeah, I like it. So this is brown sugar
Yeah.
and lime.
Lemon.
Thickly. 黑松沙士.
I don't know what that is, but sure.
I'll put a image there.
Okay.
Start with this. With some sauce. I like it.
Teke chapa.
Okay, so we ordered this wrong. It's tekka chapa.
This is tecayoyo. This is the one that Jagger said we ordered, but it was this.
No. Okay, well, mistake from friends, but this one is the right one. I just love it. I love frying.
Yeah.
Cheers. Hi everyone, it's a Friday afternoon and I am working from home, working exactly on my balcony. This is crazy. I know it's such a lovely weather today. It's just not too hot, not too cold, maybe a little bit chilly, so I'm wearing a cardigan. Work has been really busy, so I'm just trying to finish up a few more campaign to launch on the next Monday, so I won't be like super busy to like for the launch. Anyway, I want to be prepared. Hope you have a lovely Friday. I can really just pick this up. Oh my god.
Well, you did it. Good.
Oh god, it's falling apart. Just did our couple massage. How was it?
Muy bien.
It was so great. I was so relaxed, and all my pain muscle from the gym is like being taken care of. Really amazing. Hi guys, I'm back home. Right now it's evening, so I'm just waiting for Aiden to cook dinner right now. And I want to show you guys this. It's so cute. This is the jewelry shop that we went today. Aiden got me a super cute necklace. I don't think I actually show you the necklace, but I did try it on. So this is how it looks like. I think it suits me so well, like the pink purple color and this like pearl bead, and also let me just put it on, okay? Wow, it's not that easy. I think I got it. Look, doesn't that look super cute? Maybe it's not matched my outfit so much, and which by the way, this new like dark navy jumper, I just got it at the brand Oisho. Like I have no idea how to pronounce it right. But we went shopping later in Passage de Gracia, so there's like this huge like a flagship shop there, so I went in because there was so many like cute tennis and golf like sports active wear like outfits, and they look super cute. This is actually the jumper go along with the, I think the golf set, but I'm not really like, it's so cute. Even I'm not a golf girly, I want to play it just because I can wear those outfits. But anyway, I got this one. Probably not super fit this necklace right now, but you guys know like this necklace, like the way design and also the color, it's me so much. Like it's just like my signature. So Aiden was just like, do you like it? I'll buy it for you. And I was like, I was really happy. And also I want to share with you guys that I went on like a sports bra or kind of sports active wear hunt because I start the gym membership. I signed up with Aiden last week and I already did my first personal training session. It was so hard though. I have this personal trainer and he's like guiding me through the different sets of working out, and he's checking out my form, making sure I do it correctly and not hurt myself, of course. He's teaching me how to use machine, which I only learned one stuff from the last session, but we're gonna take it slow. And also that's like, I definitely need to take it slow so I won't be like, you know, burnt out so fast. And I want to take it slow because fitness is like a big lifestyle change and something I always want to do. And I'm so happy like finally step out and start this like step 1 of the whole journey, I'm sure. And it's already like really tough. Like all my whole body muscle is like so sore, but the after working out, like that hype that I got from my brain, what serotonin or something else, was so crazy high. I was feeling so great. But yeah, it's because of that, so I wanted to get myself some activewear fashion because I still want to be cute. And I went to try on some sports bra at Nike and Lululemon today. And I actually in love with Lululemon. Like I finally get the hype. And their fabrics, the cuts, how it looks like, it just looks really flattering. I feel like really happy about it because the one I tried on at Nike wasn't that fit to my body type, I would say. So then yeah, definitely need to like go into store and like try something for what's the best for you. So yeah, I found some really cute sets and I already sent it to my best friend because I think that's gonna be my birthday present probably. I'm really happy that I did that, and also got this like super cute jumper and this necklace. So yeah, also like today we went to this super cute brunch and we also went to the Thai massage. This is the first Thai massage I did in Barcelona, and I already found this great gem place. Like it was really nice. The whole vibe is really Thai, and also I believe some of the masseurs are actually Thai, and it's just really nice. The whole vibe, the burning incense, the music, and the really on point massage technique. I was feeling so good. And also like after gym, this is like so much needed TLC for sure. So yeah, basically I had this really like wholesome day, and now I'm just gonna wind down and getting ready for dinner. Good morning. It's such a rainy day today in Barcelona, but the weather really cooled down and the air quality feels a lot better. Like the air is more clear and fresh, so it's not a bad thing. And at least I'm home today. Also, it's so funny that the neighbor's pool, there's a seagull inside. On our way to dinner, we're going to this Korean restaurant called
Passon. I don't know.
Well done.
Yes, sorry. I have one job.
But he found the restaurant and we never been to, so now we're going to try it out. Let's fry the chicken. Really hot. Time to try this. Oh my god, it's so spicy. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot.
Is it too spicy?
Maybe I need a lot. 太辣了。
太辣了。
But the taste is good and the flavor is good. Hi YouTube, I'm back. Full glam. I am back from the gym, had my lunch, and now I'm all shower, freshen up, done my makeup, so now I'm ready to go out. Literally just going to Gothic and get my nails done because it's like chipping. But as always, like Gothic is such a lovely date place, so we can just have like an afternoon date and wandering around there. Wow.
You're okay. What happened?
I thought I dropped my phone, but I'm okay. We're in Gothic. Get our nails done. It's like holding up the pain. My new finished nails. Got the matcha white chocolate latte. And
I got
churros. Honestly, we didn't know we ordered churros.
That's all.
Yeah, it's good.
Churros.